It's DC, baby. It's DC, baby. It's DC, baby. It's DC City, baby. It's DC, baby. It's DC, baby. What's up, guys? Yeah, we're at the place called JA, baby. Washington, D.C., District of Columbia. This is day 2 of the trip. We're about to go hit up some breakfast. You already know that. And then after that, we're probably gonna hit the zoo. We don't really want to go to the zoo because the teen already stole the lemur at the zoo. So, you know, I wrote that in my GR app. Shout out to you, GR. And then after that, oh yeah, News Museum. It's closing, sadly, but it's gonna be a good remembrance. And then after that, it's free time, baby. That's what's up. Wait. Oh shit. Right now we're walking to the bagel place.
What's it called?
Baked by Yale.
Yes.
Let's go. You know, it's gonna be pretty fire, you know.
Yeah.
Homemade, fresh, fire bagels. Like, what can get any better than that, you know?
Yeah, no, I feel you.
Yeah.
Hand rolled.
Hand rolled. That's
boiled
more.
And then baked. You know, not just baked, that's crap.
See, that's the exquisite feature of the hand-rolled bagels, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I think we can move on.
Although it's like a 13-minute walk, you know, that's how we get our appetite going, you know, burn out some calories, then feast on it, baby. Yes!
Getting in so many cups today, dude. Look at this. No one from the convention. Everyone, idiots. So what do you get? First of all, what do you get?
So we got the bagel unlocks. And what that is, it's smoked salmon, tomato, onions with an everything bagel with beautiful cream cheese. Oh, and herbs. Oh, so good.
Oh, it's okay. You can get out. Yum.
Yeah. Now.
Fire screams fire, dude. So good.
And there's the fire.
It's so good.
It's screaming fire.
See this vibrant pink red color? That's what's up. Yeah. That's it, baby.
Official
and you can only
review.
get this in DC, baby. Take care, guys.
How we feeling about that?
How we feeling?
It was awesome.
Yeah,
that
insane.
was fire.
And you know what made it better?
Baby.
Free coffee.
Free coffee.
The bagel, though, hands down, amazing. Dude, so good. That salmon, smoked salmon with the cream cheese, herbs, and everything. Supreme. You already know. It's hot, baby.
You know, not gonna lie.
Free grilled cheese plus pizza bagels.
One of the best bagels I've ever had.
Yeah.
You know, you could tell. Crispy crust, nice boil on it, a nice bake. Fire.
Good.
How are you feeling about the beauty?
Dude, the beauty. Oh, I like that. The view and the beauty together. Oh, dude,
so
you're
smart.
on point. The beauty is so atmospheric, baby. You know, blue skies. We got the sun's not too crisp. Gentle breeze. It feels cool. It's all suave, baby. You already know. And you know, you can only get this in DC, baby.
To where?
Heading back to the hotel right now. We're going to the zoo. Yeah.
We're going to the zoo or in the museum first.
I don't know. We have no idea.
See, it's about the journey, not the destination.
Look, there's our hotel.
Like,
that's our hotel.
It looks like
overexposed.
only
Yeah,
guys.
What?
The panda turned around. It doesn't hate us, baby.
This is big news right here.
I'm sad.
Whose panda is this?
This is Christian Gillibrand's panda dog.
Write it down. Right? Yeah, you're right.
You want to be in the vlog?
You guys want to be in the vlog?
I feel like you're too young. Oh.
Say something. Shout someone else. I don't know where this is going. Yeah. Alright.
This will be on Netflix in 2 days.
Yo. What's up, guys? We made it back to the hotel. You can't rip off Pete. Or no, I'll say it with a P. What's up, guys? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Really hard. What's up, guys? I gotta get out of here. What's up, guys? So today, we just got back from the hotel.
Ready?
We're not sure
Go see
about
museum.
from
I'm
like,
ready
the
to go
11th
see
noon slot.
museum. It's
Okay, we're not sure after
closing.
that show.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take another train,
That is
and then we're gonna switch lanes. What do we got? We're in DC. We're actually in DC, baby. Like, this is it. We got Capitol Building. We got the Washington Monument. My Little Airplane. Spider-Man might be up there. We gotta go save him.
Oh my God, Peter Parker right there.
I'll edit it in post, you know. I'm very good.
We're gonna do some
I like
more
the light.
exploring
I like
of the
the
malls, the national museums.
I like
It's gonna be a great time. It's DC, baby. Let's get it.
A dash. Who lives in there?
Christian Gillibrand!
So why don't you give us a quick rundown of where we are in the world?
Right now we're at the Washington Monument. It's beautiful.
Is it this thing?
It's large.
What is up, guys?
Super
Back
tall.
on your screen.
Lots of flags surrounding it. Showing that memorial appeal, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Very architecture on point.
Yep. I feel like we're American, you know?
Yeah.
Like I feel like we're in America. What's
Yeah.
that thing?
Nice fields, grassy fields. In the distance, you can see the Lincoln Memorial. Very
Yeah.
beautiful. And you got the fountain over there as well. Honor the fallen soldiers, you know what I'm saying? On that side, you got Mr. Capitol building over there. Very lovely.
He was tackled by security.
I'm a little confused. Okay, what's going on?
When you're in DC,
we're hearing strange, big
and no one knows what's going on.
bomb,
that's never
thunder, pew pew sounds.
Dude, we're gonna die.
Yeah, it's not looking too hot right now. It's getting louder and louder. It's coming over from the west. The west?
They seem chill though. And they're officers of some sort. So I'm gonna say we're fine.
Alright.
I think
What
we're
are you-
chilling.
My battery died.
No! Okay,
I'm
so
still going.
we just finished at the museum. It was pretty powerful. Lots of cool stuff.
What was the
Journalism.
best
Oh,
in your opinion?
the how do you say it? Pulitzer.
The
yes.
Pulitzer.
How are the photos in the Pulitzer?
Okay, the photos
Pulitzer, I
were
hardly know her.
the photos were so powerful.
I would rate it 8.4. 8.4 Andy mustaches out of 10.
Hit it.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
That's insane.
That cost $57.
It's probably gonna taste good as hell though.
I just had sushi the other day.
I'm not sitting there.
Like yesterday.
Let's see. I'm nervous.
Yeah.
It's better be
You
worth
guys really
it.
like sushi, don't you? What is that?
Is that stupid good?
Yo,
Can I try it?
that's
Can I try
stupid good.
Okay,
Yes.
That was an
What is
emotional
this?
response.
Well, that's like the one I had this one place, but
What is
bigger.
that?
Alright, let me
You're
see how
loaded.
hype this thing.
Go for it, bro.
We're all just gonna eat. I don't want to eat all of it.
Go for it.
Oh my god.
You didn't have a piece.
Wow, that is so good.
That's insane. Is that not insane? That is insane.
Five Get Cheerios, I'll drink to that, bro.
Do you mind if I get in there?
Yo, try some.
Is that not insane? That's insane.
Okay. That's so good. That bite right there was worth $57.
Exactly.
Welcome.
That was a really good meal. I gotta bring out the big words. Exquisite. That's how you describe it.
You too?
I give it
It's pretty fire.
10 emperor
Exquisitely
plates.
Fire.
out of 10.
It literally melted.
I just did it, dude. The tiger roll made it the best plate. Oh man, I just voice cracked to eat.
Was it worth
10. It was worth $57. Because sushi also that plate got me full. So I'm just saying, 10 out of 10 emperor plates.
$57 for
This
people?
is why you sell your business ads.